right here. Do you want to see the meat?
Okay. Oh, what happened?
We left it in for an hour and a half. Michael, what are we gonna do?
Weren't we supposed to cook it?
What do we do, Elsie? Quick.
What
do we do now?
Just kidding.
Just cut off the edges. It'll be fun.
Ooh. Seems like don't open it anymore, Elsie will yell at you.
Okay, wait. How about this? There's the light.
Oh, much better. Much better. How's it look, Elsie?
Champagne, isn't it?
Looking pretty good to me.
What's
There's
this?
this little thing that if you slide up and down, it makes it quit filming. Well, I slid it.
How long ago?
Use this.
Why don't you go say hi to my kids?
I think I will.
We got some very
Why?
fancy ones.
Am I in your way?
No.
I just was trying to. Here we go. Here we are at the McLeods for Christmas. Hey, everybody, I hadn't pushed the button before, so now.
Oh,
everybody
no!
knows.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
See, their grandma has a birthday. Oh, well, we'll tell you later. You remember Ted? This is Ted. Oh, no, that must be Amelia. Oh, it is Ted, the ponytail's from me.
Happy birthday, Elsie.
This is Sarah. Sarah brought a boyfriend. He's here. Oh, see, this time he's here. The last time I filmed, he wasn't. So
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma. He seems to be just fine, Elsie. We're pretty happy with him.
He's taller than the one before.
Yeah, he's taller.
I want some
A
milk.
little more fun, too. I hate it because this one, you can't see it as well when the lens cap is on. Well, I'm doing this so I don't get in trouble. This is the end of dinner. Michael refused to film any of it. This is your son who refused to film any dinner. He was too busy eating.
I was too hungry.
Sorry, guys. Now, these are the candles. They have candy canes.
Steve said he was going to do it.
Steve is doing it, but look at how we thought he was okay at the beginning, but he's turned out to be kind of a
now.
problem.
Hurt his feelings.
Kind of a problem.
Kind of a problem.
This is Don Cricky's nephew.
That's right.
I'll never admit to that.
Does that mean anything to them?
He doesn't
It might.
He's a celebrity.
It might.
He
He's
doesn't
a
have
celebrity. He
to
doesn't have to work.
He doesn't have to do
He should be in front of the camera.
I'm a relative of a minor celebrity.
A relative? What more does anyone need to be, really, when you think about it?
Can I keep
Okay,
her
I'll
in?
move on to the next one.
Right here?
All right.
Oh no, where's he gonna jump next? Oh, go for it. Pretty good.
Hi, I was left off
Into the swamp.
Your uncle looks great.
Now don't forget that sensitive area. This is Elizabeth with her new toy that she got for Christmas.
The swamp!
It's just a little harmless. It's a little harmless toy, but it's not going to affect her behavior in the rest of her life at all. Say hi to Grammy. Does it say hi, Grandma Elsie?
Hi, Grandma Elsie.
Tell her what you got.
Grandma Elsie.
Say what you got, honey. Say what your toy is.
This is a Game Boy.
You like it?
Yes.
Turn to the camera, Elizabeth.
She can't show me something. See what I mean?
Here,
It's not
jump
gonna
this way
affect-
so you don't disturb
Elsie, apron. Maureen is wearing an apron. See that?
Not nearly as tasteful as yours.
No, but it is nice. It is nice, and she is. And look at this, Amelia. Look, Amelia's looking especially.
It's a rickety
glamorous
old
this
bridge.
second.
Anything could happen.
Amelia, stay there. I'm going to get some dates for you.
Now I'm going to
You look especially glamorous right this second.
Yeah.
1991. They're waiting. Go down to the Iron Horse
How about right here? No, not right
and have lunch where they have. Freddy's a little wound up. Now they're going to go look in the garbage can while they're waiting.
Oh, I know I'm going to sleep.
It's Jake and Emily and Peter and Freddie. Bye. Hi, Emily. Hi, Jake. Hi, Freddie. Hi, Peter. Happy birthday, Freddie. Freddie. Why, 'cause still have the Christmas tree up because Freddie asked us to leave it up for his birthday. Happy birthday, Freddie. And we're about to have the cake. Here's a few of the birthday presents themselves.
Hi.
Oh, who's that?
The birthday boy.
The birthday boy
And the birthday girl.
and the birthday girl. We have
You know
our
what
faces
birthday?
painted. Our faces have been painted. Let's turn on the light so we can see them.
I got
Pretty
this for
butterfly.
Christmas.
What'd you get?
This. I got it for your birthday.
Ooh, that's neat.
Oh, I mean,
Happy
Birthday
birthday
to
turn down the
you.
lights.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Freddie. Happy birthday to you.
I know what I want already.
What are you gonna wish for?
What is it?
Big. Oh, you gotta try and get them all out. Before you go.
What's for you?
Big one, Freddie. Big one. Are these joke candles? Yay! Happy to you, Freddie. Can we turn the lights back on? Freddie and Lizzie have on face paint that was given to them by Auntie Dita. Elizabeth. Elizabeth's a butterfly. Elizabeth has on a very beautiful dress. And Freddie has a heart cake. This is his second cake of his birthday day. The first one was from the Iron Horse restaurant. The father of the children. Just leaving.
Okay.
Okay.
Lizzie first.
Lizzie first, aren't you the birthday boy?
I don't care.
Okay, you gonna cut it?
I'll get you some bears.
You need some help, Big Bear? Freddie's 5, by the way. In case anybody forgets.
How old are you, Fred?
5.
41.
Okay.
Lizzie, how old are you?
Almost 9.
Almost 9. Well, didn't you used to just be a tiny baby?
There you go.
Lizzie?
Now, Mommy. Now, Mommy.
My turn? Freddie, you're serving everyone else first. How nice.
Sure. Then you.
So nice to serve everyone else first.
Okay, my turn to cut.
Thank you, darling.
Now, Daddy.
He's serving everyone else first.
What's on top of this cake?
Bears.
I never did write Freddie, did I?
Bayers.
It's been kind of a casual birthday.
Daddy's turn. No, Daddy. Here's Daddy's bed.
Mhm.
That's not this.
Okay. Some help there?
No.
He's doing a great job, Dad.
It's pretty big.
That's a big one.
Freddy's size piece.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's Freddy's.
I need a bear. Ready?
We can put-
He's making a gigantic
We can put-
We
cut.
have a gigantic feast. It's his birthday. Does anyone want any ice cream with your drink?
Just can you set it down because I need this thing because it's so big.
There goes the dad again. Does anyone want any ice cream or no?
Maybe. But Freddie has to take the first bite.
Do we leave it out?
Just quick.
Funny, honey.
And then-
Here it comes, the first bite.
Daddy went like this.
Happy birthday! Oh, here's Lizzie showing how it's done. These are my pig children.